Hello guys. Uh, Good morning from Portugal. Hola, bom dia. Okay, today I have only 9 euro session. Sessão de 9 euros. Uma sessão de 9 euros. Tenho os números 3, 4, 5. 3 in a row, guys. Okay, let's play in an old-fashioned way because I have all the time in the world. S and Z. No S. I don't see. Think no S. Okay. L and D. L. 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 D. There's no D. Oh Lord, there's a lot of missing. J and Q. Q. There's L here. Jessica, are you blind? Okay. F. 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 M. 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 X. X. P. P. No P. Or I don't see. Normally I don't see. C. C. E. 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 Ay, Jesus. E. 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 U. Hi, it's a winner. Woohoo, winner. U. U. R. 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 T. T. Only one T. I. I think, 2 wins. Woohoo, 3 wins. Wow, 3 wins. This is a good win, guys. 3 wins. Come on, Santa Casa, give me a miracle today. V. Do I have N? N. This is a good win. 3x plus 1. Oh no, where was 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. 4 wins. This is something, guys. 3x 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this is a 50 euro win, guys. Wow. How much? 9. I thought it's 50 euro win. 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hi, Jessica. I thought it's 50 euro win. 12? Or isn't that nothing makes sense? Here also. 3. 12. 9. 12, 15. 20 euro win, guys. Wow, S. M. Wow. I found 20 euro win 2 times, guys. 2 times. Wow. I thought I was thinking at least 50 euro win. Wow. M is 20. This is confirmed, guys. Wow. It's a good win in a 3 euro ticket. I thought it was 50. Where is the 20 euro win? 3x. 20. 3x3, 5, 3, 3. Okay, so this is 20. I thought it at least 50 euro. This is 20, guys. M is 20, okay? Ticket number 3. Let's go to ticket number 4. What a nice win in a 3 euro ticket, guys. I, H, I, J, no, S, S, okay, B, no B, or I don't see, no B, L, oh, Lord of mercy, Q, no Q, T, L, hi Jessica, T, R, I need M to win here, is that R, E, 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 Z, okay, U, 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 C, I need O to win, I need O to win, and M, and give me V, V, N, N, X, my Lord, I need M, and give me P, no P, okay, so this is not a winner, obviously, maybe I missed a lot of letters, but this is not a winner. I have U, E, N, I, okay, no O, okay, no, not a winner. So let's go here. I only spent 9 and I got 20, so not bad. F and O. O, 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 O. R, Z, no, E, E, there's R here, I need M to win, E, E, I need L to win, H, H, no H, there's N, 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 V, no V, S, 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 J, J, U, 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 X, the most useless letter, B, B, R, give me L, T, T, need I and L, Jesus, far from reality, guys. Q, Q, no, no Q, C, 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 last one, D, useless letter, D, I, there's U here, but there's no L. If I have L, there's no M. Okay, so not a winner. Okay, but I spent 9, guys, and I got back 20 euro. What a nice win, guys. In a 3 euro ticket. So, lucro 11 euros. Gaste 9 euros. Okay, nice. Nice, guys. It's only 11 euro. I only won 11 euro, of course, because I spent 9. Okay, so I don't count 20. So I won in business, guys. I don't won 20 euro. I won 11 euro because I spent 9. Okay. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.